Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how to draw this piece in AutoCAD 2021 in 3D for this time. So as I showed you in previous episode, we will start with the basics. So we have here this rectangle and here we have the dimensions 175 and 50 units and a width here of 9 units. So let's start it to draw. First of all, we will use the 2D plan. So go with the rectangle command, or you can type rectangle and go with 175 and 50 units. Let's zoom in a little bit and now let's go in the 3D side. We will use the press pull command as I showed you in the previous episode. Press 9 and you have the width of 9. Let's get back to our drawing. We have here a circle on a distance of 16 units with the center. The circle has the diameter 12, so the radius 6. And here we must build another line on a distance of 32 units. So keep it in mind, 16, 6 and 32. I will go with the circle command. You can also write it, it's not a problem, it's the same thing. But pay attention to be in the good plan. So right here 6 because the radius is 6. Select it, press M for move, the command, and pay attention to have always the ortho command active. It's very important. And press 16 now to be on a distance of 16. Now let's build the other line. So I will create a line exactly here on the edge. I will go with the offset command now to draw a parallel line and type 32. You can delete this line now as well. And now let's use the mirror command. For mirror it, this line and this circle. Press enter, find the middle. Yeah, I found it. Do you want to erase the original objects? No. And now let's draw the holes. So press pull again, select this area in this circle, you see it, not this area, just this area, and go down. The same thing in the same side, and you can see that we have 2 holes now. Okay, the next step, press here at the top plan, is very important, top plan, and let's start to build this part. So this piece is symmetrical, it is enough to build just one, and then we will mirror it and we have the same thing here. So here we have a distance of 175 minus 32 minus 32, so that means 111 units. So 111 units here, then we must go exactly on the middle up with a distance of 28. And then we will draw the first circle with the radius 25 units. So pay attention to every detail. So go with the line command, you can also write it. So 111. Now another line from the middle, 28 units. And a circle with the radius 25 units. Now go with the line command as well. Line, shift, right click, go with the tangent and select this corner. The same procedure, line, shift, right click, tangent and select the other side. Go with the trim command now. Trim this part, you don't need it. You trim also this line. And now very important, use the join command and select everything here. Press enter and you have here a single one. Now let's build the other 2 circles again. So go in this arch, find the middle. Yes, exactly this. Go with 12.5 units now, radius, and another circle from the same center, 25 units again. Let's switch a little bit the drawing to have a clear vision. If you want to switch the drawing to move it, everything like this, just press shift and press the mouse wheel and you can move it, you can, I don't know, whatever you want. So to have a clear vision, this is the most important thing. Go with the press pull again. Also you can go in this plan as well, doesn't matter. So this plan, go with, let's say in this one, why not? We must go with 9 units. Let's verify after it. So you can see it here, I have 9 units. Let's verify. So 9 units here, and we must build 3 units here and 9 units in the same side, just this big circle. So go with the press pull command again, but for this time select just this area. 3 units. Switch a little bit the drawing and press here as also. Yeah, now we can see it, 9 units as well. Now another step which is very important, click at Union, select the whole drawing and enter. Now when you click on it, automatically it will be selected the whole drawing. Now go at Modify menu and go with 3D operation and start to find 3D rotate. It's very important. So 3D rotate, select the whole drawing, press enter and select the axis. I will select the red one, you can see it. Make sure that you have the ortho command active. And now let's have a look. This is the perfect size, the perfect angle. Okay, you can see we have straight angles right here. And now, which is also very important, select the whole drawing, go with the move command and select the middle of this edge. You see this edge, go here exactly on the middle and everything is wonderful. Now let's move the drawing again. So select just this part, you can see it. I'll go not here, I will go just here. And I make sure that I select everything I need. Go with the move command and go exactly with 9 units, if you remember. And now the edges are perfectly symmetrical here. Let's have a look again at our drawing. But if you want to be 100% sure, go with the view menu, visual styles, shaded with edges. And now you can see it properly. You can see it, everything, it's perfect, it's on the right side. Okay, now another important step, select again just this part and go with the mirror command. It's very important, mirror command. Now the mirror line, it will be somewhere here in the middle. You can see it, this square, this triangle actually, sorry. And find again the other triangle. Do you want to erase the original object? No. And you have it. But to be our drawing complete, I highly suggest you another thing to do. So let's unify first. So union, select this part and this part as well. Enter, and now you have just one object. Now delete this object. I know it sounds crazy, but delete it. Select these extra lines and move them a little bit. Not too much, just move them a little bit. And now don't delete them, go with the oops command and you'll have it back. And now you can delete it, because if you deleted this thing, when you apply oops, you will have just this line back, not the entire drawing. Press the home button and here you have it. I hope this video helped you. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe all my content and see you next time.